Welcome to On the Road to the Little Bighorn.
When we think of the Little Bighorn, we often jump straight to the chaos of the battlefield. But the truth is, the most famous clash of the American Indian Wars wasn't just a sudden encounter. It was the tragic, inevitable result of a collision course set in motion long before the first shot was fired.
In this playlist, we are going to trace that exact path. We will mark the significant dates, the supernatural omens, and the fateful military decisions.
We will follow the road in the lead up to the battle in the spring and summer of 1876, as well as the dark aftermath that followed. Throughout this series, we will explore the pivotal milestones that define this campaign. We'll look at the early June Sundance, where the Hunkpapa Lakota leader, Sitting Bull, experienced a powerful prophecy of soldiers falling upside down into his camp like grasshoppers from the sky. We will step inside the tense June 21st strategy meeting aboard the steamboat Far West, where General Alfred Terry gave George Armstrong Custer the flexible orders that would ultimately seal his fate. And we will follow the 7th Cavalry's grueling, forced night march on June 24th, a desperate push through the dark that left the troopers and their horses utterly exhausted just hours before the fighting began. But to understand how the campaign unraveled, we have to start at the very beginning. Our first episode is The Morning the 7th Rode Away. We take you back to the foggy dawn of May 17, 1876, at Fort Abraham Lincoln in the Dakota Territory. You will experience the heavy, unspoken dread of the Army families as the regiment marched out and the band struck up Gary Owen and the bittersweet farewell tune, The Girl I Left Behind Me. We will also explore the strange and unsettling premonitions of that morning, including the eerie atmospheric mirage witnessed by Elizabeth Libbie Custer, who watched in horror as a reflection of the cavalry column appeared to march straight up into the sky. The road to the Greasy Grass starts here. Let's begin.